Hi guys and welcome to Coding Academy. In this video we are going to be learning about different text editors. If you're confused and looking for the right text editor, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video you're going to know almost everything about top 3 text editors and you will be able to differentiate which is the best to choose and install in your PC from all the text editors out there. So I have chosen the top 3 text editors that programmers and coders are using in their everyday lives. So let's know the secrets and the reason why are they using these specific text editors. Number 1 is Visual Studio Code, or in short you can say VS Code. Number 2 is Sublime Text, and number 3 is Atom Text Editor. Visual Studio Code is one of the most used text editors, and then Sublime Text and all the way to Atom. You must be wondering why Visual Studio Code is popular and majority of developers and coders are using. No worries, by the end of this video you will get to know more about it. Visual Studio Code is a freeware source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Visual Studio Code comes with lots of features. Number 1. Collaborate and code remotely. Work together remotely with your teachers or classmates using the free LiveShare extension. You edit and debug your code in real time and use the chat and call features to ask questions or discuss ideas together. Whether you're working on a group assignment or teaching a lesson, you can invite multiple people to join your session and code together. Number 2. Code inside notebooks. If you want to try a project in data science or data visualization, you can use Jupyter Notebooks inside Visual Studio Code. Run your code step by step and visualize and interact with your data, variables, graphs, and plots. Number 3. Fix errors as you code. As you code, Visual Studio Code gives you suggestions to complete lines of code and quick fixes for common mistakes. You can also use the debugger in Visual Studio Code to step through each line of code and understand what is happening. Number 4. Make it yours with custom themes and colors. You can change the look and feel of Visual Studio Code by picking your favorite fonts and icons and choosing from hundreds of color themes. Number 5. Compare changes in your code. Use the built-in source control to save your work over time so you don't lose progress. See a graphical side-by-side view to compare versions of your code from different points in time. So the next text editor is Sublime Text 3. Sublime Text is a shareware cross-platform source code editor with a Python application programming interface. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages. Let's dig deeper and take a look at some characteristics of Sublime Text 3. Number 1. Cross-platform. Sublime Text is available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. One license is all you need to use Sublime Text on every computer you own, no matter what operating system it uses. Number 2. Split editing. Get the most out of your widescreen monitor with split editing support. Edit files side by side or edit two locations in the one file. You can edit with as many rows and columns as you wish. Take advantage of multiple monitors by editing with multiple windows and using multiple splits in each window. Number 3. Multiple selections. Make 10 changes at the same time, not one change 10 times. Multiple selections allow you to interactively change many lines at once. Rename variables with ease and manipulate files faster than ever. And text editor number 3 is Atom. Atom is a freeware open source text editor and source code editor for macOS, Linux, and Microsoft Windows with support for plugins written in JavaScript. Let's look at some features of Atom text editor. Number 1. Smart autocompletion. Atom helps you write code faster with a smart and flexible autocomplete. Number 2. Multiple pens. Split your Atom interface into multiple pens to compare and edit code across files. Number 3. Cross-platform editing. Atom works across operating systems. Use it on OS X, Windows, or Linux. Number 4. Find and replace. With this feature, you are able to find, preview, and replace text as you type in a file or across all your projects. And after all this information, hopefully you now know which is the best text editor to use and start your coding journey. If possible, try all these text editors and find out which works best for you personally. That's it for today. See you in the next video.